My blessings come.
My name is Christine and I'm from Kenya. And no, wait. No, I'm not gonna do another introduction, but I'm doing it for the people that's who are going to be watching it like right now, or the new people, the new subscribers who are willing to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, about that, guys, hello. My name is Christine and I'm from Kenya and I live in Poland. Guess what? I'm back. And guess what? With new content, guys. With new content. And wait, guys, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Guys, I want to update you with the things that I've been doing of late. As I had shared on my previous videos, that I'm a nursing student and I've been really busy with classes. Yeah, so I've been just busy catching up with classes, with exams, and right now I'm currently free. And I decided to do a small video for you guys. So the video today, it's all about things that you can do in Poland. Things that you can do in Poland. Not necessarily things you can do in Poland, but what to expect when you arrive in Poland. Guys, yeah, I think that's a correct term to use. Yeah, guys, okay. What to expect when you arrive in Poland. The first thing that, if you're from Africa, what to expect in Poland is no one speaks English.
Few
That's
people
right.
speak English.
I can't say in general part of all cities in Poland, but the city that I am in, oh no, no one speaks English. That's number one. Number two, guys, it's culture. Can I say culture? Yeah, they have different culture, and one of it is like in every occasions, they have a specific food.
I meant all countries have culture.
They call it pierogi. Yeah,
Pierogi,
Catholics. That's what I can tell you. Most of the Polish people are Catholics, and they are really. I mean, and I'm emphasizing, religion comes first in Poland. Especially when you go to the roads. I will take you along, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. Especially when you go to the roads. There's some. If somebody knows the, is it a structure? Not a structure, really. Is it a structure? Oh my days. They have like a, most parts they have like a cross, and sometimes they do have like a Virgin Mary statue. Yeah, statue, not a structure. Oh my days. Yeah. They have like a, they have not like, but they do have Mary statue, especially like in some trees around the roads. There's some so people can, like, it's a way, it's like a prayer, it's like an act of, or it's a symbol of prayer for the people who are using the roads, like especially the drivers. It's like a way, not yeah, it's a symbol of protection for the people using the roads, right? Yeah, that's, I think I'm in number 4, right? Number 5, Poland's life, especially the food, especially like Poland's life is cheaper when you compare it with other European countries, or when you compare it with German, when you compare it with UK, when you compare it with Swiss, when you compare it to the Norway. Yeah, Poland is cheaper. Especially, I will do also a video of the grocery shoppings that I can list, and I will take you along. Just tell me what kind of activities or what kind of videos do you like, do you want to see more in my vlogs, right? Just comment down below, and I'll make sure to take note on that. So, and one of the things that I like, sorry guys, I'm not going to be talking that much, but this vlog is going to be short, but not that short. But remember, I told you I'm gonna take you along to show you the symbols that they normally put. Okay, number 6, the clubs. Guys, the clubs, as it's only in Polish language. I mean, what do you expect? You're in a foreign country and they speak Polish, so while the music that they play, basically it's Polish. And yeah, but I feel like you end up liking the music. Not, but I don't mean all the music, but they have like basically rock music. There's some music that are more danceable, but some are not. And yeah, another thing, it's about the population, guys. As I have seen, the population is not bad, but most people, there are more older people compared to the younger ones generation, and that's been a challenge for the Polish people because especially in the nursing sector, uh, people tend to have to retire late, especially at the age, probably at the age of 65. That's when they have to retire because they don't have a lot of nursing, sorry, a lot of nurses. Yeah, that's one of the things that I've realized in Poland. Okay guys, see you later, but catch up with you soon. I'll be back soon, guys.
Few moments
Okay,
later.
guys, this is the package that came today, and I want to fix this, and it's gonna be a challenging situation, because I don't know how to. But there's this tool. It's a screw. It's a screw. It's a screw. God, let me see. Is it steady? No. Yeah, it's a screw. So guys, we have a installation manual, and I have to follow all these steps to come up with this thing. Yeah, as you can see. Okay, let me start, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. Okay, guys.
Hata nikifa nitatawala tena. Ufalme wema, hata nikifa nitatawala tena. Ufalme
You on what to do, or where to put which part, and even the manual, like the letters are just there, the F, J, J, F. Guys, I can say that I'm confident about doing this, but so far so good, and I'll keep on updating you. I'll be back soon.
Hours later.
guys, I want to continue with my video, but first let's make some pasta. Right, let's make some pasta. We eat fast, okay? Okay guys, okay, I'm just from eating, and I just want to show you the progress of what I've been doing. I know, right? I took my time, but oh my days, I'm so super proud of myself. Look at me. Look at me, guys. I can literally imagine that I managed to do this. And I say I'm three quarters into the finishing part, but until this point, I'm super proud of myself. I'm really proud of what I've done until now. I know it took me a while, but well, proud me. Okay guys, this will be the end of my video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed what you saw, and please don't forget to subscribe and make sure you share what you want me to share.
The and you subscribe.